Welcome to House of Party. Today we're going to be making a balloon garland. A few things you're going to be needing are either a hand pump or an electric balloon pump. Your balloon kit includes black, gold, and silver. You will have yourself 12-inch balloons, 10-inch balloons, and 5-inch balloons, along with 18-inch balloons. Your accessories are going to come with a garland strip with 16 feet and 100 glue dots with 2 hooks to hang your garland. First thing you want to do is blow up all of your balloons. If you're using a hand pump, all you have to do is insert the latex into the nozzle and pump. If you're interested in a round shape, all you have to do is press the balloon down into a surface and release some air, and you will get the round shape. If you're using an electric pump, let me show you how much air this 18-inch needs. You'll know when to stop when the bottom half starts looking more egg-shaped. And to get that roundness, you just repeat the same process. With your 5 inches, the hand pump's the best way to go. The best way to do it is insert the latex as far as you can and pump. Now that all of your balloons are blown up, you're gonna wanna grab your 16-foot garland strip. And let me show you how to connect your balloons. In order to secure your balloons, make sure to pull the neck all the way in so the balloons do not fall off. Before you put your balloons in, make sure to leave some space so you can have something to hang your balloon garland on. When building your garland, you're gonna want to crisscross when you attach all of your balloons. So you're gonna wanna do 10, 12, 10, 12, all the way down, and at the very end of your garland, you're gonna wanna add your 18 inches so you can get the dimension effect. The reason why you want to do crisscross with different sizes is because this is gonna give your garland a beautiful organic look with way more depth. Here's an example of what your balloon garland should look like. As you can see, I started out with size 12, then 10, back to 12. I'm gonna proceed this process all the way to the end of the tail. Now remember, this is your balloon garland. You can design it however you please. Now it's time to hang your garland. In your accessory bag, you will find 2 hooks to hang your garland. These hooks are great for indoor and outdoor. They're great on brick, stucco, and drywall. Pro tip, if you're considering hanging your garland indoors, you might want to consider using painter's tape to protect your walls. If you're going to hang your garland indoors, you're going to want to place your painter's tape onto the wall first, and then place your hook onto the wall and press all the way around until the bubbles are gone. Now that your hook is attached to the wall, I'm going to show you how to hang your garland. Now remember, there's 2 hooks. So this is gonna be your first hook, and your second one is going to run across to the second side. In order to attach your hooks, make sure to have 1 hole available. Then you're just going to place the hook into one of the holes. Now that your first side is hooked up, you're gonna run the second side up to the second hook, and you're gonna let the rest of the garland run down to the ground. In your accessory kit, you will find your glue dots. Grab all of your 5-inch balloons, and what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna grab 2 to 3, maybe just 2 glue dots, and place them closer to the neck. Press them down, and your glue dots should be on your 5-inch. This is the fun part. When placing your 5-inch balloons, you want to make sure that the neck is facing the garland. When placing your 5-inch, make sure to press gently onto the other balloon that you want it on, and it should stick just fine. And with that, you should have a beautiful balloon garland that should look something like this. We hope this video was helpful. Thank you for choosing House of Party, and we'll see you next time.